Good morning, guys. Alex from Artcraft here, back with another Artcraft tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how you can create 3D objects from the 2D canvas that you can actually put into the 3D canvas and move around. So I've already sort of crafted a scene that's ready to go in the 3D canvas, but darn it, I just don't have my horror movie monster. I mean, what's this guy even scared of right now? I've adjusted the room, I got all those proportions correct, but yeah, no, I'm missing a monster. So let's hop over to the 2D canvas and see what we can do about that. So the scariest thing I can think of is a giant pink teddy bear, because why not? Give him those big black beady eyes, a little button nose, and you know, I think I actually do want the mouth to be a little scarier than like a typical bear mouth. Okay, now you'll see I'm adding some extra details here, indents. You don't really need to do that. It's just something I like to do to help it get a sense of depth for the final image. All right, now we're gonna prompt for our monster. It's a giant teddy bear with sharp teeth and hyper-realistic fur, buttons for eyes. We're gonna click generate, wait about 20 seconds there, and let's check out our image. Okay, pretty good. It's yeah, it definitely nailed the scary aspect. You'll see it's also added like a city background or something, because I didn't prompt to give it a background. Again, not an issue for the 3D tool, but if you wanted something on a clean slate, you could just prompt that as well. So now that we have our image, we're gonna click 3D next to download. You're gonna wait about 50 seconds or so, and then you should see it pop up in my library. All right, moment of truth. Let's see how well this thing did. Oh my god. I think that is so cool. Jeez, look at the teeth on that thing. That is mental. As we can see, we can rotate it, we can position it. You know, this is pretty scary already, but let's make him even taller. I want this to be a really menacing teddy bear, just like the one that haunts me in my nightmares. All right, last thing I'm gonna do is just adjust the focal length, because I do have a very exact way I want this to look. We're gonna prompt giant killer teddy bears terrorizing the man on the ground, yada yada, and then I'm gonna add in some extra details like hyper-realistic fur and live action horror movie, and then we click generate. So while we're waiting for that image to generate, let's just see if we can give old Barrow a vacation here, stick him on the beach somewhere. It's gonna place a black block and position that for sunglasses. Hey, there we go. That didn't turn out too bad. Nope. And looks like our image is done. Ooh, I would not want to get that guy upset. Just like in our previous tutorials, we're going to move that into image to video and then just generate for the motion that we want. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, I really do think this is one of the coolest things you can do with Artcraft. What I see it used a lot for actually is when people do 2D designs for clothes and then they put those on the 3D characters. Stick with us for more tutorials and comment down below if there's anything you'd like to see. I've been Alex from Artcraft, and I think I'm going to go head to therapy now.